Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to share with you the items that I picked up from Dollar Tree. I'm literally in the parking lot looking at Dollar Tree. I walked out and I said, let me share this stuff with you guys right now because I have a super busy day. Plus I need to go home and try to get this up for you guys. So I'm just going to quickly share with you the items that I picked up today. So if you're new, hit that subscribe button. And if you can, share the video with your friends and family. I'd appreciate it. And let's jump into this. So I did pick up some WC craft sodas. This one is vanilla cream, and I'm doing this because of the sun. But the vanilla cream, and I am excited by that. I love vanilla cream soda. Here is an orange cream, and these are made with 100% real sugar. Then this one is Chicago style root beer. And so I picked up that one. And then I picked up multiples of those three, but then I only picked up one of the spicy ginger, like the ginger beer sodas. And so I picked up one of these. This is a taste that it's kind of like an acquired taste to me, and I don't really like too much of it, but I do like it. So I only picked up one of those. I also got some aloe vera water. And this one is pomegranate, and it's 16.9 fluid ounces. I thought this was cool in the pomegranate flavor. And then this one is in green grape. And I, as well with these, cannot do too much of these. But for $1, I figured why not pick these up? Because usually when I pick up these kind of items, like at Sprouts or whatever, they're definitely way more than $1. If you watched my last video, I showed you guys these cornbread crisps, and I fell in love with them. And I said next time I went back, I was going to get some more. So this was really the purpose of me coming to Dollar Tree today, was to get these Farmer's Pantry cornbread crisps in honey butter flavor. And they look like that. Sorry, you guys, I'm trying to work with the sun. And these are so good. If you guys seen my last video, you know I tasted them. They taste just like honey. Excuse me. They taste just like honey and butter, and they are so good. So I had to pick up those. Okay, so moving on out of the food section for my favorite finds. And look at me rolling my sleeves up. Let me get into this bag. Because they are on top, I'm just going to show you guys. They had some Play-Doh. Who gets excited by Play-Doh? Me. They had some Play-Doh in the cutest containers. These are Crayola dough, and I picked up every color that they had. So they look like this, or let me hold it back right here because of the sun. So they look like this, and they are stackable. So you have them, and they have this little thing, you know, the little groove on top. So you can stack these. These are going to be perfect for teachers, daycare, for you to play with your kids or whatever. And I picked up every color for Pooh Bear, of course. So let me tell you the colors that I got. This blue one, there's two different blue ones. This one is called Blue Sky. And let me see. I didn't even open it. Oh, yeah. So it has the seal on top. And it is a lot in here. It is 5 ounces worth of Play-Doh. So Crayola dough is definitely good. This one is called Sugar Cube White. This one is called Tickle Me Pink. Then you have Granny Smith Apple and Violet. This blue one is called Parakeet Blue. And as you can see, they are two different kinds of blues. So you got the parakeet, and then you got the blue sky. Here's yellow and black, and the black is outer space black, and the yellow one is unmellow yellow. And we got 3 more. Then here's the orange one, and it's called Outrageous Orange. And the brown one is called Tiny Toad Brown. And this pink one is called, or red, is called Firefly Red. You guys, these are super adorable. So I just couldn't pass them up. So I got all of them. Then I stumbled across these gold mushrooms, and you guys, they had silver as well, but I had to get the gold. They are so cute, and they are 2 different styles. As you can see, this one is a little, you know, like taller. This one is more wide. So the tops look a little different. This one has more of a dome top. This one is more of a shorter, flat little mushroom. So these are super Super cute. Oh my goodness. And yeah, so I was torn on getting the silver one as well, but you guys know me, I had to get the gold. They also had some more little statues, so I picked one up. And yeah, the little Buddha statue, I really like this one. It looks like she's sitting on a flower, like a lotus flower or something like that, so I grabbed this. Okay, you guys, I got out of that sun because the glare was driving me crazy. So now you can see Dollar Tree is behind me. I just basically turned in the parking lot and faced the other way so I can get this done because I only have a couple more things. So the next things I picked up was these flower pots. These are super cute. They are candles. How cute are these? I was like, I don't need these. But even if they don't smell really good, I plan on using the flower pots afterwards because I really like how they're kind of like that smoky glass kind of effect to them. These are cute. The first one is citrus and sage, and then this one is basil, and these are old Williamsburg candles. I fell for the pot. The pots are just too cute, and I've never had a candle like this, so I had to pick up these two. So they had some new washi tape out, and I did take some footage of the set that I saw. And we have new washi tape. There's some floral patterns, watermelons, that pattern. That one says summertime. Oh, I like that one right there that says Bon Voyage. Oh, I definitely have to get that with the food on it. And then polka dots. And out of that set, the only three that I picked up were the watermelon ones. Just because I thought it was cute. And I definitely had to have this one with the food on it. And I mean, you guys, this one is just super cute. I love the mason jars on it. And it has the little bowl with the spoon in it and the whisk and the tomatoes and the jars of fruit and strawberries and lemons and all of that. So I had to pick that up. I haven't been working on my planner like I usually do because I've been so busy, but that would be definitely good for like in your planner or whatever. And then I also picked up this one that says Bon Voyage for, when I'm planning on doing trips or whatever. I just wanted this one, so I picked that up. And then the last couple things that I picked up were some toys. These are so cute. And I don't know, is it Zia, or I'm not sure how you pronounce that. But it's some little snails, like the snail shell. And then it has these little tiny characters inside. And I picked up this one because it has a little frog in there. And I'm not sure what that other character is. It looks like a butterfly. I don't know. But then you have the turtle shell right here. And then I picked up this one, which is super adorable. And it's a purple shell. And then it has a little tiny cow in there and a little teeny tiny little pickle. And I'm like, I don't know why they would pair a cow and a pickle, but it's cute. And I know these are super duper tiny. I don't know. They'll probably get lost as soon as I take them out of here. I'm not sure. But I had to pick them up because they were super cute. And that's it for today's haul, you guys. Thank you for bearing with me with the sun. I probably should have turned the car around in the first place, but I wasn't thinking about it. And that is it. I am so excited to go home and play with the Play-Doh when I get some time today with Pooh Bear because he loves playing with Play-Doh. And that is it for today, for today's haul. Hope you guys are all having a beautiful day. Thank you for watching, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.